Snap on Wednesday, guys. You're not gonna fucking believe this. You ready? You guys ready? It's Manni!
Yeah!
How's it going, buddy?
Wednesday today.
Oh fuck. We haven't seen Manni in a long fucking time. Yeah,
Very
so
long time, man.
so you're living and working and all that shit, yeah? Glad to be back on video.
Yes.
Just visiting. As good as a banana. Look how big. Oh, look at that, eh? Look at that fight.
Typical Jesse.
Oh yeah. Anyway, let's get it started. All right, Snap-on's here. Let's go. I knew I'd find you in here.
Well, that 14-12 combo.
Oh shit. How's it going?
Careful.
How are you?
I'm excellent. How are you?
I'm doing amazing.
Sorry.
I'm doing amazing.
Amazing.
This
Yeah.
box is huge. Somebody should buy it off of you.
I know.
You should buy it.
I should.
Cheap son of a bitch.
You should buy it.
Your wife already told you no, didn't she?
Yeah.
She's like, no, Vince, you can't buy that.
I think she's going to Japan for 3 weeks next month.
So you're just gonna buy it?
So if I buy it, then she's never coming back.
Oh, okay, I see how it is.
Well,
That's a sad story.
no, she wouldn't come. She wouldn't come back. She would definitely not be happy. There goes my 40th birthday present.
Well, that could be your 40th birthday present. How about that one?
Yeah.
I love the color. Jordan would be a little bit jealous because it's an Epic, and it's the same color as his.
It's so big.
So nice.
Well, she loved the pumpkin carving tools, though.
Oh yeah, you got them, didn't you? Did you
Yeah.
use it yet?
Yeah, she used it. She made a... I'd show you a picture.
They break or do they have warranty? That was a good face.
Lifetime.
Never mind. I'll keep my mouth shut.
That'd be a
No,
first.
a 14.
I know.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
My inventory says I have one, and I just counted it all on the weekend.
Yeah, these are the side cutters he wanted.
But
He didn't even have any on his...
What are you looking for?
the 1214.
Oh,
Uh-oh, did I found the elusive tool?
that's a nice wrench too. Well, the whole set's nice.
Yeah. Doesn't matter how far back you go, Joel, my nose is still big, okay?
Well, so's mine. I've never hit it. You remember when Chad Kroger used to do all his videos straight on because his nose was so big? So if you he would complain. So he'd be doing like a Nickelback video and like they all had to be shot straight on, so you couldn't see his fucking how big his nose was. And then he got a nose job.
That's an option too, ratcheting on one end. But
I don't think anyone really cares about Nickelback, do they? No. Okay, nice.
why does everybody hate on Nickelback?
Because
I will say it out loud. I like Nickelback.
all right.
I'm gonna get fucking crucified now. But
No.
I'm gonna call Mac now. Bye.
They're like one of the top bands in the world. Like just like you don't have to.
Yeah, everybody hates them, but their concerts are always sold out.
Oh yeah, well
Explain that,
exactly
right?
right.
That's always the one
all
that makes
their
me laugh.
but they do have some good
Yeah.
stuff.
See, I liked them when they were before they were signed, and then just after the State came out, and then when Silver Side Up came out, they lost me. But to each his own. That's my opinion.
How do I get the free card?
Phone's ringing, dude.
Not that long. I'm
What
gonna
free
go with
card?
I don't have one. Why? I don't know. Says I have one.
And continue to borrow mine.
How it disappeared, I don't know. But my wife was inputting the numbers, doing inventory, so maybe she typed it in wrong. I'll get fucking crucified.
Blame the
for
one
that,
that's not here. Nice job. Good job. Someone's got to take blame, I guess.
Hope she doesn't watch Snap on Tour Review.
too. Oh, I already got fried on that.
Did you?
My phone rang and it was her. And I ignored it. I got spotted.
I ignore the phone calls all the time when I'm recording.
I called you and you didn't answer because you were
Yeah,
being filmed.
yeah. Well, I saw it. So,
I hate you.
how you like this light, Vince?
Love it.
You have it, yeah.
It's great.
It's good.
I've used it like a good half a dozen times at least since last week.
Yeah. I love that it's just like when you put it there, it just sits there. It doesn't like.
Yeah, it's really good for.
It's really good that
like
way.
under the dash and whatever, because even if you put your light down, right, and you put it, it never wants to sit
Yeah,
the way you want it.
Yeah.
So that works really, really good for that.
that's awesome.
Next question. The meter.
So how much is it with the Bluetooth?
Oh, are you gonna get one? Are you looking at one? So you're just gonna spend the amount of a new toolbox. You got a whole shitload of tools.
For $7.50. $100 off.
Do I get the free card with select purchase?
Which option do you want? Do you want the free card or do you want the $100 off? Card's worth more.
Okay.
What's the?
What does it come with? I know it comes with lots of stuff.
If you buy it, we have to review it. You know that, right? You have to lend it to me. We'll go through it. And we'll do a demo on it. Oh, fuck you. What if you do? What if you trade in the a
How about
a
5%
DVOM?
of your revenue from that video?
Yeah, when you go fucking pound sand.
Temperature probes, RPM pickup, test leads.
Revenue. I don't get paid to do this shit. Just kidding.
Does it have the ones like you can disconnect the end on it? Obviously. Hold on. Put something else like alligator clamps.
They're right there. It is a threaded probe. So if you want a different end,
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
we
yeah,
have
cool.
threaded attachments that
Cool.
can go on there.
Like all other most
If
DVOMs,
that's
right?
what
Yeah.
you mean.
Yeah, that's good.
Or you can get a little adapter, which threads onto there and turns it into a banana plug, which is the same as, that end
Yeah.
for all other attachments. So,
Okay.
Yes.
Don't tell the wife. I'll grab it.
Is that the app one?
yes,
The new one, yeah. Awesome.
a Bluetooth.
But then I need a set of like alligator clamps, and oh, there's a couple in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have the adapter?
To go to a banana jack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. That's
Do
the one thing
I
I wish
have
the
it?
Power Probe had. You could change it.
The multi-probe.
Yeah.
I think you can.
On the ground when you can. I
Oh
don't know,
right,
I'd
yes.
have to look again. I can't.
Yeah. Yeah, because you can pull the tip out of the power probe or the multi-probe, and then add stuff to it.
Oh yeah. It has a banana
Yeah.
clamp. Yeah.
Yeah.
So those alligator clamps have clamps. Are they banana? Yeah, they're banana. Or
No,
they'll screw
the
up,
alligator
screw up.
gets a spread on.
Okay.
So then with Don't trip going backwards.
No, I'm not. Until I hit the wall. Stuffed drawers, eh?
These adapters change it from a thread on to a banana plug.
Sweet. I will grab it.
Yeah, every drawer's full.
I know.
Even under the drawers.
I know people are always amazed, eh? Yeah, underneath, yeah.
Stuff everywhere.
Yeah. Dual view imager. What is this? Is there an imager? Oh, yeah.
Beauty.
Right on. What do you got? What is that?
2 new products. These are to allow you to either use our ball joint press with all the adapters in the bearing slash seal driver kit, or
Yeah.
vice versa.
That's cool. Yeah, those are nice, eh? Just making more use for the ball joint press, that's all.
Yes.
Yeah. That's awesome. I mean, fuck, for the price you pay for it, you might as well add stuff to it, right? So make it more of a multi-tool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Are you getting a ball joint press?
Well, I don't know after this.
Well, it's pretty much worth the same price.
Yeah, I might wait for that. To me, this is important because nowadays so much electronics in cars and crap, and that's more handy.
Well, that's where it's all going to anyway. And
How often do we replace ball joints now?
is that good for like electric and hybrids too?
That's a Cat 5
Right.
classification.
600 volts AC DC hybrid rated.
So it should be right. Yeah.
This is hybrid rated.
Oh, that makes it even better then.
Yeah. So you can
Especially
check
working
the
in
battery.
working in our world.
Check the battery.
Yeah.
It's good.
Awesome. Well, I'm gonna head inside. So we'll see you guys back in the shop.
Have a snappy day.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. So you saw the truck stuff. Manny was here, so that's cool. You guys got to see Manny. I walked in and I'm like, oh fuck, it's Manny's here. That was funny. That was fun. Yeah, he's a good guy. I miss him. You guys all ask about him too, so that's yeah. So that's what he's doing. Well, you guys didn't talk to him, but he's working for like CN Railway in Canada, the Canadian railway system. So he's doing good stuff and different things, so that's good. We were looking for this wrench on the in the truck today. This is the 12-14 mil combo wrench. If you guys don't know, some of the Elantras and a couple of the other Hyundai models, to get the back caliper bracket off, you have to remove the control arm. So this will get right in there between the control arm and the knuckle, and it'll take it out. So part number on this bitch is XDHFM1214, and it's a 14 and 12 combination 0 degree wrench. So Vince ordered that, so I've always had it. I lent it to him, and sure as shit he needed it. So not much else going on. It's actually a little slow in the shop today, as you guys might be able to see. I do have a couple of things coming up. I got one of these in, a wind booster for my car. In fact, I have 2 of them. So one's going to be given on it, and so it's specific. Mine is specific to the Challenger. It's basically like a throttle response tool. It's like it takes up the throttle lag. So looking forward to reviewing that, having a look at it and see how it works. Super excited actually, because I hate the throttle response in the Challenger. Actually, most new vehicles are kind of the same thing with the drive-by-wire system. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing that, so keep an eye out for that. They're both the same product, yeah. So it'll be given away to somebody with a Dodge product anyway. So I will announce that in a little bit, as far as like when I do the video for it. So not much else I got for you guys. Links down in the description for shirts, merchandise, Snap-on merchandise, so, or tool review merchandise. And that's all I got. So remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.